Alright boys, we're gonna go for a quick drive. I gotta go to the gym. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's see how it goes. Make sure y'all got a good angle. Ooh, that's a good angle. Man, this looks really good actually. I'm surprised. I was expecting it to look much worse. You know what? I'm gonna try something though. Hold up, just hold up, okay? All right, I think that's better. I was wearing my cap earlier and I don't think the view is very good, but we should be Gucci now. Car's already warmed up. You can see that I actually warmed it up before we started here. So yeah, let's just get this going. We're gonna head to the gym. It has been a very long time since I've driven this car. We out here in Dallas. It snowed. It's been so cold. It's like 20 degrees outside right now. I'm wearing shorts because I'm a madman, but also because my gym is really hot. Let's do one more pull. Whew. Let's not lose traction here, so I'm gonna go slow and then pull. Oh! Don't tell my girlfriend I did that, bro. She starts slapping me. I'm not even gonna lie. There's the popo. I'm very scared of a popo. No cap. I am so scared of getting arrested. I would not do good in jail. All right, get ready for a pull. A pull to legal speed limits. I braked because I thought I saw a cop. I got so scared. I told you, man, I wasn't kidding. I'm scared. I don't want to park there. That shopping cart. I'm scared of it. I'm gonna hit it for sure. Bro, my rear taillights, the reverse lights don't even work, bro. That's how busted up these taillights are. And they're brand new, you know. By the way, I got refunded for them too, so they're free broken taillights that I have. Oh, I forgot about the cart. All right, y'all, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit when I get done. It's 7:47. Let's see how long this takes me today. All right, guys, we just went to the gym. We got done with Walmart, did some grocery shopping. Got a quick drive home right now. Pun intended, because we're in the S197 GTCS. Ooh, that's a Chrysler right there. I saw it the other day. It's got some nice wheels on it. I've seen them before too. Oh, look at that, bro. That looks nice. It looks clean as hell. Like craving McDonald's over here too, bro. McDonald's, and then ahead I got Taco Bell. Taco Bell over there is, oh, it's so good. I haven't had Taco Bell since yesterday. But even then it feels like it's been so long. I had like the new Cantina chicken bowl. Bro, that stuff was so good. You're gonna try to cut me, aren't you? You little minivan. Go ahead and go. I'll be nice. I feel like being nice. Oh, scratch that. I'm not being nice today. I'm sorry, man. That's what you get for scaring me and driving too fast. Alright, finally I got rid of this guy. It's about to turn right. We are gonna let loose. Oh my god, that felt so good. If you're still around right now, thank you. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. See you later.